How to clear data for Android system intelligence on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down. Then tap on security and privacy. After we scroll down and tap on more privacy settings. Now tap on Android System Intelligence. Then tap on Clear Data. This will erase what your device has learned. And in here you can choose erase in the last 24 hours, in the last hour, or all time. So select one of the options. Then tap on the Clear Data button. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings menu. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.